Hey, so just on the beach. I'm gonna buy a boat today. I saw it yesterday, but yeah, I'll go back today and buy it in Hoi An. Be nice, just cruising around the rivers. This would be. It's not my first boat in Vietnam. I've had boat, two boats in Ho Chi Minh before. Just small local style wooden boats. Um, long tails. I had a boat in Bin Hoa, Long Nai before, and I had six small canoes that I bought in Ho Chi Minh before, just traditional local ones without an engine. I rented out people to paddle, and I built my own boat in Phu Quoc pipe boat. Well, I built two because I lost the first one. The first one I chained it up, and it was really windy, big waves, and the chain broke, snapped, and it floated away. So then I built another one, a tiny style pipe boat in Phu Quoc. But this time I just bought the wooden one. So it's not much more to just buy, make your own. Yeah, I just bought one. Just cruise around the rivers. Yeah. Happy days. So this is my bar. Oh, can't get through the tunnel there. It's a tunnel, tunnel under a bridge. I can't get through there because it's blocked with bloody weed. I tried ramming it and the boat just gets stuck on it. So yeah, clear the weed somehow or wait for it to go. Because my new apartment's just over there, the other side. I'll just park here, just under the bridge for some shade. I have to build a roof on here. I need some bloody shade. It's too hot. It's like 34 degrees. Hey, could try ramming it again. Hey, it's so hot and I didn't bring any water. I'm gonna try and smash through those reeds. I need to get through that. I'm just gonna drive it really fast. Smash through them. See if it works. boat just parked over there. So my boat's all parked up. I mean, the outside of the hull looks good. It's just fiberglass. So there's all that reed over there. I was chugging up a little tunnel. There. This river's really long. It goes all the way to the old town. You don't need to go through that tunnel often. The tunnel is the way to go to Hanbang. Went through that tunnel on the way up, and it was all clogged up with those, the bloody grass thing. So literally, I tried to ram it, and then I got stuck on it. And then I paddled back, went under the bridge, and the shed waited, and then it just floated off by itself. It was gone. It was clear, so I was able to drive through. Just drove up there, almost the old town. It's nice around there. Yeah. But I need a roof because it's too hot. So I need to make a roof. I need to think about what kind of roof I want to make. I'm thinking of just using the reeds, this. I'm making like a reeds, like a tunnel, right? You know what I mean? Like you see in the old Chinese photos, Vietnamese photos as well. The old Vietnamese photos. I think in some parts of southern China they have the same as well. It looks like a tunnel, right? You put that on top of the, it's a traditional style, like a curve, a tunnel. So you have to duck every time, moving to the front and back, and that's fine. No, but then I'll be sitting at the back to drive. Yeah. Or maybe I just have like my Taiwanese pipe boat. I made a big roof for it, shelter. I'll come out with just a canopy. Let's see. There's a net here, so when I come in and out there, I've got to take the net off the nail. It's okay, I'll lower it and put it back up. It's alright, keeps the boat safe there. Yeah, it's alright. It's got a tail like an eel. Snake or eel. Sounds like a snake. It's a snake. There's one massive snake skin there. That shred. Shit. What type of snake is that? Dajahao. It's out on the boat. By the time they came back. It's not old. Old. Um, yeah, need to get rid of my belly, so do a bit of admin and it's alright. It's nice. Just in the rivers, just chilling out. Other stresses, we all need to unwind. I still like these wooden boats. It's fiberglass on the outside, but wooden on the inside. Some I've had some other ones that are just completely wooden and no fiberglass on the outside, and you really gotta um, maintain them. Do the chalking. It sounds like chalking, but chalking is spelt with without the C. Caulking. I just pronounce that chalking. Chalking. Whatever. But here in Hoi An, they all seem to have the fiberglass on the outside, and same in Ho Chi Minh. But there's a lot more pure wooden ones in Ho Chi Minh. And you really got to care about the chalking. And this obviously used to just be wooden, but they put the fiberglass in outside, so I don't have to worry so much about water coming in unless I crack the fiberglass. I can just reapply. But you can see the chalking here is like shit. So definitely needs the fiberglass on the outside. But this is just sort of keep it shape, and this wood, it's very old. It's worn to hell, right? You can tell they put the hose pipe on this side. That's where they pulled the nets in from this side, and here it's just really worn, really thin, really worn, but still good wood. I mean, we got a ship there's a ship in Portsmouth Dockyard, the Mary Rose. Bloody Henry VIII fucking built. And they still got the wood for that because it was under sea for a long time, so I preserved it. But the wood, that's treated with salt, does last a long time. How old do you think this is? Any guesses? I don't know, but the wood is old. The fiberglass outside hull is strong. Oh, yeah. Still think I overpaid a bit for this boat. It's got the engine and that, and 11 million, about 500 US dollars. Yeah, that's a big boat. I overpaid a bit. Oh well, that's my last one. I paid like well, the last one that I bought, I paid like 200 US dollars for with engine, and then I bought one before for like 150 without an engine, and put the engine myself, long tail, but then you have to buy the engine separately, and then pay about 3 million 150 US dollars just for the welding of the long tail. Well, that's what I did for in Fukuoka. I had to pay that about 125 US dollar, I think, for. But in Ho Chi Minh, I got one cheaper for under 100. The long tail welded. Yeah, it's all swings around the and as a foreigner, are you getting charged the real prices or, I've always had Vietnamese help me, like speak to them and blah, blah, blah. And boats are expensive. A lot of work's gone into this. This is 500 US dollar. It's quite big, and it's got the engine. The engine's under here. I'll show you later. A lot of work has gone into it. A lot of love. So I don't necessarily mind. Because he didn't have to sell it. He only sold it because he wanted a good price for it. Otherwise, because he sold it so he can make another one himself. Most people make their own boats here. They don't really buy them. So there's not really a big, secondhand market for boats here, because everyone seems to make them themselves. But you can't buy them. But if they don't want to sell. And normally they want to sell because they want to make a new one. This one is grand. I made my pipe boat myself. Fukuoka. And well, I made it Made two of them. I might make another pipe boat here. No, so I do prefer the pipe boat because the pipe boat it sits on top of the water, right? And you use a long tail engine, and it's great for going through shallow water. But here, this river at low tide especially, it gets shallow, and and it's got fixed propeller, so it gets stuck on bloody nets because people are netting everywhere, and yeah, the water could be quite murky, so you can't always see how shallow it is. It could easily damage the props, right? Or the hull. So the pipe boats, just Taiwanese standard pipe boats are better. The Taiwanese pipe boats used to be from giant bamboo, but then of course Taiwan had their industrial revolution, and all the plastic stuff was made there. So Taiwan has really, really cheap PVC pipes. All the boats in Taiwan are all made from PVC pipes. PVC pipes more expensive here in Vietnam. But it's probably getting cheaper now. More stuff, plastic stuff's being made here. I'm gonna make another Taiwanese pipe boat, bigger and better, and a long tail engine. I like that because it can just skim water. Yeah, it can skim over the water. Over now.